Welcome back as we focus on Give for Good Day Louisville. The Hope Health Clinic is delivering and coordinating quality medical care to those in the community that lack access to health care. They're able to see all patients over the age of 4 at their location in LaGrange, Kentucky. Joining me now with more on the work they're doing is Janet Warren, Don Shaw, and Joyce Fletcher. Thanks so much for joining us on this is a great day. Such a positive news day, right?
Yeah.
Talk a little bit about how long your clinic has been open.
We have been open since September of 2011, seeing patients who are uninsured or have insurance policies with unaffordable deductibles. We do primary care. We also feature the full component of labs for our patients, and then in 2021 we added a pharmacy to provide basic medications for our patients as well.
That's great. What all are all the services that you offer? Because to cover from age 4 on up is a pretty wide range.
Right. The services we offer are just your basic primary care. So we're treating patients with ongoing chronic issues, acute issues, in other words, sore throats, earaches. Chronic, there'll be things like diabetes, hypertension, etc.
Yeah. And this is really targeting those that do not have health insurance?
Targeting those primarily who don't have health insurance, but also in today's world, there are so many people with policies with such high deductibles they cannot afford to use it. So we offer them that alternative place to come and get care.
Yeah. So what makes you guys so unique?
Well, number one, we care about our patients. Very, very much so. We offer 30-minute patient visits so that our providers have an opportunity to really get to know the patient and what their needs are and their family needs are as far as how it impacts their health.
Do you all want to talk a little bit about what other patients are saying about the services they receive?
Oh gosh. The patients that come to that clinic are so grateful to have that clinic available, and we see not only folks in Oldham County, but also in eastern
I was
Jefferson
going to say, once
County.
the word gets out, don't people know that this is a great place to go? This is in LaGrange. Let's get there from all across the city and the community.
From adjacent communities.
Right.
We have a community of folks that utilize the clinic.
Yeah, we have a wide base. We have people who come from as far as Carroll County, Shelby, Oldham, Henry, Trimble, Jefferson County, and some southern Indiana.
Well, let's talk about Give for Good Day. I mean, what a great day for you guys. Is there a goal that you're hoping to achieve? And then what is that funding used for?
Well, the funding is going to be used for increasing our services and our times of operation that we're basically operating on right now. We're 4 days a week. We could easily be 5 or 6 days a week.
Yes, I was going to say.
And again, I think the thing to be stressed here is most of these individuals coming in are employed, and they just can't afford their deductible. Yeah. And we're keeping them in the workforce. We're keeping them working. And we know how desperate our small businesses are to have their employees there working every day.
Do you have a wait list, or could people just go online to book appointments, or how does that work?
Good question.
They can call us at 502-225-6711. We will get them scheduled and in for an appointment. We prefer to do appointments rather than walk-ins, but yes. And we're also on the campus of Baptist Hospital in LaGrange, and they furnish our facility.
I was going to say, where exactly?
Yes,
this is great. That's a great marker there.
Yes, so they've been wonderful to provide us with our space the last 12 years.
Yeah.
At a rent of $1 a year, which makes us use our funding to direct care.
Maximum usage, right?
Exactly.
All right.
I think the other thing worth noting, Claudia, in terms of the folks that we see in the clinic, those people are not having to go to emergency rooms or seek out other private medical care options, which really are not options for them.
No.
So I think the clinic provides a huge alternative to people having to use an emergency room.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming on and sharing more about this. If this speaks to you and maybe you want to see them or you're able to help them today, then you just need to go to giveforgoodlouisville.org.